Hello, I'm Teacher Franz, and welcome to Talk 915. What is your name? Hello, Timmy. How are you, Timmy? Oh, great. So, are you ready, Timmy? Good. So, listen and look at me. Jump. Oh, we have here our learning objectives. Learning objectives would be first, words phrased. Second, listening. So let's start. Look, listen, and say. Look, listen, and say. So in this topic, we are going to have to communicate. S- We are going to communicate and also we have here the words. So this we have here a lot of words that you are going to know. You are going to listen to teacher and after teacher you are going to say it. Just like listen and point to the words. Listen again and say the words. Okay? Are you ready? Okay, that's great. You're ready. Let's start. Okay. Number one, first picture. Listen, okay? Strong. Say strong. Very good. Strong. Can you say it loudly? Louder, please. Good. Okay, strong. I will give you a star for that. Next, the second picture. Listen, this picture, gentle, gentle. Okay, listen, it's gentle. Okay, say the word gentle, 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 gentle. Very good. Okay, today, if you are going to say the words, you are going to clap your hands 3 times, just like this one. Gentle, gentle, gentle. Can you do it? Yes? Okay, do it. Very good. Good job. I will give you a hamburger for that. Yum, yum, yum. Okay, next. Number three. Look, this picture show patient. Now listen to me. Patient, patient, patient. Now you are going to say the words 3 times. Say patient. Okay, slowly. Patient. Say patient. Patient. Very good. For that, I will give you a donut. Yay. Okay, fourth. Look at the fourth picture. This one is the fourth picture. Okay, listen. Smart. Smart. Okay, can you say it 2 times? Smart. 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 Very good. Smart. For that, Timmy, I will give you one. Awesome. You did great. Next, the fifth picture. This picture tell us calm. Okay? Listen. Calm. Calm. Can you say it 3 times while clapping? Like this. Calm, calm, calm. Okay? Do it. Oh, very good. I will give you a star. Oh, last, fears. This picture shows fears. Fierce. Okay. Can you say the word? Okay, first, listen to the picture. Fierce. Fierce. Now, you are going to clap 3 times and say the word fierce. 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 Very good. For that, you did a great job in this slide. Okay, I will give you this free one. Okay, I'll put it to you. Very good. Okay, did you understand about this? Okay, that's good. Okay, let's jump to the next one. Okay, let's go to the next one. Walk, 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 then stop. Oh, look at the picture. Look at the picture. Read and circle. Read and circle. Look, circle the correct answer. Number one, please read. Number one, an elephant can be big and strong. Is it true or false? Okay, Timmy, we have here an example. We- The first one, the first sentence is true. Okay, let's analyze the word. An elephant can be big and strong. An elephant is a big and strong. So this one is correct. Okay, let's answer and analyze these words. Number two, a lion is always gentle and calm. Is it true or false? A lion is always gentle and calm. So, no, a lion cannot be always calm and gentle. So the answer is very good, false. Now, number three, a dog can be fierce and patient. A dog can be fierce and patient. Can you circle? Okay, go Timmy, you can do it. Oh, very good. A dog can be fierce and patient. So, very good. How about the fourth? Read. A monkey can be smart. So, what is your answer, Timmy? Circle. Okay. Oh, your answer is true. Very good. That's good. Okay, how about the last one, number five? A mouse is always strong and fierce. Is it true or false? Oh, your answer is false because a mouse is not always strong and not always fierce. Correct, you got five. So I'm going to give you another stars. Very good. You did well. Okay, let's move to the next one. Listen and answer. Listen and answer. Okay, you're going to listen first to teacher and you are going to put a check if where is the picture showing the correct animals. Are you ready? Yes, that's great. Okay, look at the first picture. There are two pictures in the we have the two pictures here. Okay, listen to teacher and put a check. Okay, the first picture shows that the children is at the farm. Okay, next one, which picture shows the correct animals? Very good. Okay, you put it in the second picture, which is the child is trying to get a milk to the cow. Very good. So this is X. This good. How about the second picture? This one. Okay, can you put a check on it first? Okay, can you put? Okay, this one is wrong because a cat cannot fly, only the bird. But here, a mice and a cat sometimes can be what? Do you know it can play? Okay, but sometimes a cat keep on chasing a mice. Very good to me. You got the correct score. I'm gonna give you a hamburger. Yum. Next, the third picture. The third picture, can you tell me where is the good one? Very good to me. This third picture shows, okay, if you are taking care of a dog is kind to you. But if you are not kind to a dog, the dog will be angry at you. Okay? Very good. How about the last picture? Oh, last picture. Can you check it? Okay. Okay. A horse is an animal that can be used in a race. Very good. Okay, Timmy, you got the correct answers to the four. Okay, do you have any questions? None? Okay, let's go to the next one. Oh, it's wrap up time. So today we'll learn about the words and we analyze those words. Very good. So today we also learn about listening on how we listen carefully. Okay, do you have any question? Great, if none. If none, very good. Okay, Timmy, I want to congratulate you because you did a great job today. Okay? Practice more to you to be able to be good in English. Okay? Good. So, if you love me as your teacher, if you love me as your teacher, kindly put me to your favorite teacher and give me a flower. Bye. Oh, look, let's have the season goodbye song. Bye bye, goodbye. Bye 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 bye, goodbye. I can clap my hands, clap, clap. I can stomp my feet, stomp, stomp, stomp. I can clap my hands, clap, clap. Bye bye, goodbye. Bye 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 bye, goodbye. Bye bye, goodbye. Bye 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 bye, goodbye. Goodbye. See you again next. Bye, Timmy. See you again soon. And it's a bye for now.